Hello mga ka-batchmates, classmates, batch 89. Salamat sa inyong tanan. Thank you for inviting me to make this video. And I am glad na part ako sa celebration. Tapos nagpasalamat ako nga kamong tanan okay. Tapos ani ata nagkita-kita. So okay mong tanan diha. So I just wish Merry Christmas sa inyong tanan and advance Happy New Year, and enjoy ka mong tanan diha sa inyong reunion and Christmas party celebration. Hopefully, if God's willing na maka-join ko in the future na magkakita-kita personally. Thank you all and God bless you, and enjoy your Christmas party celebration, and take care you all, and Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.